Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to mute calls from a specific person on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the message icon in the bottom of the screen and open directly messaging. Next, tap on the profile whose call you want to mute. Now tap on the person profile pic or name at the top left corner. And then tap on mute option under the person name. Here you will see the option mute calls. Now simply turn on the toggle and choose how long you want to mute calls. That's it. Now you can easily mute calls from specific people on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share. Thanks for watching.